Hello everyone. Today we will start Unit 7 Substance Use Disorder. Definition. Substance use disorder is a chronic, relapsing mental and behavioral disorder in which the repeated use of alcohol, tobacco, or other psychoactive substance leads to clinically significant impairment or distress affecting physical health, mental health, family life, social relationship, education, or works. According to DSM-5, substance use disorder is diagnosed where a person has the problematic pattern of substance use leading to impairment or distress with the symptoms occurring within a 12 months period. Introduction. Substance use disorders are among the leading cause of preventable illness and health worldwide. Repeated use of psychoactive substance changes the brain's reward pathways leading to craving, tolerance, dependence, and loss of control over substance use. Commonly misused substances include alcohol, tobacco, cannabis, opioids, sedatives, and hypnotics. Stimulate, hallucinogens, inhalants. Epidemiology. More common in adolescents and young adults but can occur at any age. Males are generally affected more often than females, although the gap varies by substance and population. Risk is increased by early initiations of substance use, family history, and certain social and environmental factors. Etiology causes alcohol intoxication, alcohol withdrawal, alcohol-induced psychotic disorders, alcohol-induced mood disorders. Cannabis intoxication, cannabis-induced anxiety, cannabis-induced psychotic disorders. Opioid intoxication, opioid withdrawal, opioid-induced mood disorder. Stimulants, cocaine, amphetamines, methamphetamines. These substances may cause psychosis, anxiety, depression, aggression. Sedatives, hypnotics, and anxiolytics. Intoxication, withdrawal, delirium, anxiety. Hallucinogens may cause hallucinations, panic reaction, perceptual disturbances. Medication. Some prescribed medications such as corticosteroids or certain anti-Parkinsonian drugs may also produce psychiatric symptoms in susceptible individuals. Risk factors: heavy or long-term substance use, multiple substance use, family history of substance use disorder, coexisting mental illness, young age, poor social support, stress and trauma. Medication. Some prescribed medications such as the corticosteroid certain drugs may also produce psychiatric symptoms in suspicious individuals. Classification of substance-induced disorder: substance intoxication, substance-induced withdrawal, substance-induced delirium, substance-induced psychotic disorders, substance-induced mood disorders, substance-induced anxiety disorders, substance-induced sleep disorders, substance-induced sexual dysfunctions, substance-induced neurocognitive disorders. Alcohol. Definition. Alcohol is a certain central nervous system depressant that slow brain activity. Examples: beer, wine, whiskey, rum, vodka. Effects: relaxation, poor judgment, slurred speech, loss of coordination, drowsiness. Long-term complication: liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, cardiomyopathy, peripheral neuropathy, wrinkle, Rux-Kopf syndrome, depression. Caffeine. Definition: caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant commonly found in beverage and some medication. Source: sources like coffee, tea, coca drinks, energy drinks, chocolate. Effects: induce alertness, improve concentration, reduce fatigue, excessive use anxiety, remorse, insomnia, palpitation, irritability. Cannabis. Definition: cannabis is obtained from the cannabis plant and contains psychotic perception of time, impaired memory and attention, complication, anxiety, panic attacks, cannabis-induced psychosis, cognitive impairment components, especially THC. Forms: marijuana, hashish, harswell. Effects: euphoria, relaxation, increased appetite, altered. Effects: Hallucinogens. Definition: hallucinogens are substances that distort perception, thinking, and sensory experiences, causing hallucination or altered perception. Examples: LSD, psilocybin, mescaline. Affects: hallucination, altered perception of time and space, mood changes, anxiety or panic, complications, panic reaction, accidents, persistent perceptual disturbances. Inhalants. Definition: inhalants are volatile substances whose vapor are inhaled for psychoactive effects. Example: glue, paint thinner, petrol, aerosol sprays. Affects: euphoria, dizziness, slurred speech. For coordination, complication, brain damage, liver damage, kidney damage, sudden cardiac death. Opioids. Definition: opioids are drugs that release pain by acting on opioid receptors in the brain and spinal cord. Examples: morphine, codeine, heroin, pentine, oxycodone. Affects: pain reliefs, euphoria, sedation, respiratory depression, complication, dependence, overdose, respiratory failure, constipation, death in severe overdose. Sedatives, hypnotic and anxiolytic. Definition: these drugs defend the central nervous system and are used to reduce anxiety or promote sleep. Example: diazepam, lorazepam, alprazolam, clonazepam, zolpidem. Effects: relaxation, reduce anxiety, sleep induction, drowsiness, complications, dependency, memory impairment, false withdrawal symptoms if stopped abruptly. Stimulants. Definition: stimulant increase active in the central nervous system. Example: amphetamines, methamphetamines, cocaines, methylphenidate. Effects: increase energy, alertness, reduce appetite, increase heart rate. Complication: hypertension, psychosis, anxiety, stroke, heart attack. Tobacco. Definition: nicotine is the addictive substance found in the tobacco products. For cigarettes, cigars, biddies, smokeless tobacco. Effects: temporary alertness, relaxation, increased heart rate. Long-term complication: lung cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, coronary artery disease, stroke. Other or unknown substances, these include synthetic cannabinoids, synthetic cannabinoids, designated drugs, new psychoactive substance. These substances may produce unpredictable and potentially dangerous effects. General clinical features of psychoactive substance use: physical tremors, sweating, slurred speech, poor coordination, sleep disturbances, weight changes, psychological anxiety, depression, mood swings, craving, hallucinations, behavioral aggression, social withdrawal, poor judgment, risk taking behavior, neglect of responsibilities. Diagnosis: detailed history, physical examination, mental status examination, toxicology screening, laboratory investigation, DSM-5 diagnostic criteria. Treatment: detoxification, medication according to the substance and clinical condition, cognition behavioral therapy, motivational interviewing, family therapy, group therapy, rehabilitation, relapse prevention. Nursing management: assessment, identify the substance use, assess amount, duration and frequency, assess withdrawal symptoms, evaluate physical and mental health, assess suicidal risks. Safety: prevent falls and injury, monitor for overdose or withdrawal complication, maintain a safe environment. Medication management: administer medication as prescribed, monitor therapeutic effects, observe for adverse effect, encourage medication adherence. Health education: teach the patients harmful effects of psychotic substance, benefits of abstinence, relapse prevention, healthy coping strategies. Psychological support: build trust, encourage expression of feelings, promote motivation for recovery. Family education: explain the nature of the substance use disorder, encourage family support, teach relapse warning signs, stress the importance of follow-up. Prevention: Primary prevention, health education, school and community awareness, life skill training. Secondary prevention, early screening, early intervention. Tertiary prevention, rehabilitation, relapse prevention, long-term follow-up. Role of the nurse. The psychiatric nurse should assess substance use pattern, monitor intoxications and withdrawal, ensure patient safety, administer medication correctly, provide counseling and emotional support, educate patient and families, promote rehabilitation and relapse prevention, coordinate multidisciplinary care. Thank you for watching. Jai Jagannath.